Hello, fellow nerds. Today I'm unboxing a air duster slash vacuum combo. This is completely not sponsored. I'm going to tell you if this is garbage or if it's awesome. I actually already bought one from a brand called ZZZ Life and it was terrible. It didn't work out of the box. This guy is the box isn't giving me much confidence. Turbofan Air Duster Storm Infinity. Han and Guan. I bought it because I saw another YouTuber who actually did a sponsored video of it, and he said it was pretty good. I got this for about $50 from Amazon, and I just looked, and it's 80 now. So it might not be a great deal at 80, but we'll test it out. We'll see. So it looks like it has a little brush. Pop this out. I actually don't know what this guy is, but nice and clicky. And here's the brush, just a little plasticky brush. A nice little user manual here. Tells you all the parts. There we go, got different languages. Get rid of that for now. Okay, let's look at the accessories. Got a couple different tips. This one looks like it's a multi-tip. And part of the reason I got this is actually because it is a vacuum and a air duster. That was one of my requirements. I wanted it to do both. Comes with a little USB-C plug. Tiny, short little guy. And, ooh, it's kind of heavy. So it's heavier than I expected it to be. Let's get it out. I hope it has some charge so we can test it out. It is plastic, which doesn't instill that much confidence. Yeah, it actually not too happy with the build quality, to be honest, but let's see. So it does feel pretty cheap, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna save all the packaging just in case. Oh, and it does look like maybe it's out of batteries. Oh, no it's not. Okay, woo. Wow, that was actually... That was really quick. Okay, so... Oh, wow. So maybe I take back what I've said about it. Let's see. I guess you just hold this button down. Whoa! Oh, and you can press this. Whoa, sorry about the noise too. But it looks like you can turn the volume, turn it down, turn it up. Turn it off. Okay, well let's play with it. Let's see what we can do. It looks like one side's a vacuum and one side is to blow. So there we go. There's the vacuum. Okay, let's get something to vacuum up. Use this little keyboard. Okay, so let's add some confetti that I got. Uh-oh, that's not good. I might get in trouble for that. That's not my keyboard. But I got it. Let's turn it on. Let's see how it vacuums. And I guess you have to hold the button to get it to go. Okay, well, I am thoroughly impressed with that. That is awesome. And just to show you how well it blows, I'll put some of this on the counter and we'll blow it up. Okay. So I'm gonna get one of the little nozzles here, and it really does feel cheap, but it works great. This plastic is not like the most confidence producing stuff. But yeah, let's just toss some of this out. And I'm gonna hold it down and let's see how it does. Holy crap. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, well, you know what? I have to say I like it. I don't like the plasticky build quality, but it is pretty fierce. It really does blow stuff around. For 50, I think it's decent. For 80, I don't know. I really haven't compared it against too many. But I do want to get rid of, using air dusters. So far, I've only tried 2, but this is the best one. I will leave a link, an affiliate link below. But I don't think you should buy it for $80. But if it does go on sale, it is kind of fun and it's definitely working well. So I will try using it and use it a lot more. I might do like a little short with an update on this. And if you guys have any questions about this, let me know in the comments. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and give me a like if you enjoyed this video at all. And I appreciate all of my subscribers. Goodbye, fellow nerds. There we go. Jeez, it's so fast.